I want to learn in SQI. Is there a space for IT students to learn? And he said yes.
So you mean you started here as a student?
Of course.
Through IT and so on and so forth. And then I was hearing you all of a sudden, the whole thing turned internship. I'm hearing internship now. All of a sudden.
A full staff.
Wow. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Olayiwola. So with me today, I have a talent, an SQI talent. So we'll be interviewing her, we'll be hearing from her. So she'll be letting us in on her journey with SQI and what she has been able to do after the learning things. So with me, I have Mrs.
Oluwatobi.
Okay, so Mrs. Oluwatobi, who are you specifically?
Okay, my name is Mrs. Oluwatobi, popularly known as Lady T.
Okay.
I am a graphic designer in SQI College of ICT.
Wow, that's great. So which means all of the flyers, all of those beautiful, colorful flyer ads we've been seeing, they are mostly your handworks.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. So how did you start? Or since when have you been on this?
All right, so journey to my graphic design.
Okay.
So I started when I was in SS2. I started, so because I wrote my JAMB in SS2. So then I went for CBT training for 2 weeks.
Okay.
So then I found it interesting that, what's laptop? What are they doing? This thing is very interesting. So then, it's just 2 weeks actually. So after the 2 weeks, I told my parents I want to know more about this thing. So, and the training is 6 months, it's for 6 months. So thank God they allow me. So they pay for 6 months. I actually spent more than 1 year.
Already.
I actually spent more than 1 year. So then we learn Microsoft Word, how to typewriter, how to use Microsoft Excel, how to use CorelDRAW, and all that. After then, I got admission into Ladoke University of Technology. So when I was in 100 level, I want to learn more about this thing. So I learned somewhere around school, but that is not as standard as what SQI offers. So then, after spending 2 months with the guy, I developed myself. Okay. Self-learning.
All right.
So during my IT, that's when I got to know about SQI. So I got to know about one of my brother. He learned graphics here also.
So he referred to you?
Yes, he referred me to SQI. So I just asked him, I want to learn in SQI. Is there a space for IT students to learn? And he said yes. Wow. So when I got there, I've been doing graphics before. Though I made some mistake there in choosing a course. But thank God that he showed me the way.
Wow.
He didn't allow me to waste years of my life. So when I got there, I was like, no, I want to code. Wow. I want to code. I just want to code. So I registered for software engineering, web development. Wow. I registered for level 1 and level 2.
Wonderful.
Imagine you, and I've been doing graphics design.
Maybe you thought it's your
Though
way.
It's not that professional, but I just think I want to learn coding. I don't want to do graphics again. I just want to learn something new. Okay. I want to learn. So
which is not bad.
Which is not bad. I spent the first 2 months for level 1 and the second 2 months for level 2.
In fact, you finished the whole level.
Like seriously.
Wow. So you're a graphic designer and a software engineer.
Not really, because I don't really code right now. I've forgotten a lot of things. Wow. Because let me say, it's not my way.
That's the point.
So then I put more energy, but it's not just working. Anytime I start down like this, I'll just be designing.
Instead of coding, you find yourself designing. Truly you missed your way.
So I'll just be designing. I pay for level 1. And I still go ahead and pay for level 2. Wow. Imagine, anytime our instructor gave us assignments, I would just be designing instead of coding. we did a lot of projects then, a lot of classwork, a lot of things. But then,
so you were struggling with class.
Yes, coding is not my it's not my calling. It's not
your
way.
thing.
Yes. So after then, I went back to school to submit my IT logbook presentation. I realized I need to learn more about this thing because the coding I learned, I don't even put all my energy into it. So I don't really know what I need to know during the learning because I have put my mind in designs.
And it's not that the instructor are not doing their best.
They are doing very, very well.
All right. So it's just
because
you were
my
wired.
Mind, yes, my mind
you
is
are wired as a
designer. So if I have put all my mind, all my focus in software engineering, oh my God, it's very interesting, and maybe because of that interesting part, that's why I even pay for level 2.
Okay. So somehow the instructors got you captivated. We're now left for your personal, your own passion. It's not there for you.
Yes.
All right.
So after then, I come back again to
still
learn.
SQI.
It's still SQI.
So there must be something in SQI.
I don't know.
You must.
So I come back again to learn UI/UX product design in SQI.
UI UX now.
Yes.
Okay.
UI/UX product design in SQI. So I pay for level 1.
Okay.
So during then, I meet one of the instructor called Mr. Faith. So he teaches us well, but then he'll find me designing again. Even in UI/UX class, UI/UX deals with product designs, where we build software, interfaces and all that. But you still find me designing again.
Something else.
So even sometimes, if he give us some things to build on, I can design it. If he give us like a app to build, we use Figma. Maybe I want to build a mobile app or something. I can design it.
On paper?
No, on graphic software.
Okay.
I think I use Photoshop then. So I can design it using Photoshop.
Wow.
And it will come out very well. But then I need to learn more. So then it puts me through some things, and that's when I started my journey in SQI.
You noticed the star in you.
He noticed the star in me, and then I started learning small. I started learning. I didn't leave Gravis alone, and Gravis don't even leave me alone.
Wow. You're inseparable.
Yes. So I started learning, and during my IT year, I have good relationship with some of the leaders here. As time goes on, I put in for internship here in SQI for Gravis. So, and thank God it went well, and I started. So firstly, I started joining them in class, how they teach, how they relate to students, how things are done.
Okay.
So then I met Omoti here. Puts me some things, he will give me some things to read about, I will read it, he will give me some tasks, a lot of things. So I met other instructors too. So after about 3 months internship, I got a job to be an instructor of graphic design.
Wait, slow down. Slow down. So you mean you started here as a student?
Of course.
Through IT and so on and so forth. And then I was hearing you all of a sudden, the whole thing turned internship. I'm hearing internship now. All of a sudden,
a full staff.
Wow. So that's possible here still.
Of course, if you know what you are doing.
Now, your journey from student to instructor at SQI College of ICT. I should give you. There's no flower here. I should have handed you a flower, but a round of applause.
Thank you.
I want you to drop something for students, staffs of SQI College of ICT. So if any one of them is watching right now, what would you like to drop with them?
All right. I'll say that what your hand find doing, do it well. do it well. If it's coding, you know how to do, code it well. If it's data analysis, you know how to do it very well. Learn it very well. Learn some new term, some new thing
in your field.
In your field. Yes.
Improve yourself.
Improve yourself. Yes, improve yourself. Improve yourself. Have mentors that are in that field, that are doing very well, and they are doing greatly well in that field. Yes, so I'm glad I'm at SQI College of ICT today, actually. Yes, I'm glad. If I have not put more energy in my graphic design then, maybe I will not be here. Yes, maybe I will not be here earning good money, even more than the one I have paid to SQI. So maybe I will not be here. So whatever you find your hand doing, do it very well. So don't say that coding is not for me or for you. So you can find your own way in data analysis or any other courses. We have data analysis, we have web development, we have cloud computing, we have robotics engineering, we have product design, we have graphics design. Yes, that's a lot. So just discover yourself. Just discover yourself. Just discover what you are good at. So to all the staff in SQI College of ICT, thank you for all the good job you've been doing. So in mentoring and in nurturing your students to bring out the best in them. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your effort. Keep on the good work and God will bless you.